We have this beautiful Equisetum praealtum, I believe is how it's pronounced. You can see it's a beautiful native evergreen plant, native to most of North America and the USA. Very common, but very wonderful, very tough. We've had temperatures here in Saginaw, Michigan, here in Zone 6 this winter already of like -3, and these have survived it just fine and stayed evergreen. They're extremely cold hardy. Even if this top part were to die off in extreme cold, it'll still just come right back up in the spring and summer. So they're very tough. They can grow in polluted areas. They like growing in moist soil and full sun. They're in the family Equisetaceae, which is an ancient family that evolved sometime probably around the Devonian period, about roughly 375 million years ago-ish, and they are incredibly ancient lineage that this is part of, and they haven't changed too much from when they first evolved. I mean, there's a few small differences, but they're pretty similar to fossils and stuff, and pretty amazing. And like I said, they grow in full sun. They're tough. They're native to a huge part of North America, Canada, US, Mexico even, and they like growing in wet areas in full sun or part sun. In clay soil, sandy soil, doesn't matter. They'll literally grow in the worst soil as long as it's decently moist or wet. They're pretty tough. They're really nice. Evergreen. Very nice. I love it. This used to be called Equisetum hyemale, but then they changed it for the North American ones to be called something else. So, yeah. Pretty nice. Beautiful. Absolutely love these. Kind of look like bamboo too. Very cool. And they're very rough, and they actually contain silica. Lots of silica, so it's hard for a lot of animals to eat them. They're deer resistant. Very tough plants. They have a cool feeling to them. A rough feeling. The common name for them is like a horsetail. Super, super nice. Love Equisetaceae plants. Anything in that family is cool. But this one I really like because it's evergreen in the winter. So when everything here in the northern USA looks depressing and dead, these look still beautiful and wonderful. And yeah, you see they got these little joints on the stem like that. And like I said, they spread by rhizomes, by the roots, and they also spread by spores, which are kind of like seeds. Little microscopic things drift in the air, and two of them come together, I believe, and then make a baby plant if they land in a good spot. So pretty interesting, very nice, very wonderful native plant, just growing wild here. Absolutely love it. This should really be planted more. This is such a cool, underrated, beautiful native plant in most of the US and a lot of North America. You know, really cool.